So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Alrighty, this is before custom interior seat covers and some floor mats. Looking at it, just regular, cleaned up, looking good. So, it's fun to put these seat covers on here. So let's see. And this is after custom interiors seat covers. This is after installing them, bro. Got these on my own little floor mats going. Look at the seats, bro. Looking good. W interior way, y'all. Clean with it. I'm gonna hit the seats with a heat gun a little bit so they can adhere to the seats more. But that's the front. That's why I took that out. And then this is the back. How we looking, baby? JJLEE squad, what is up? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video, man. I had to make this video for a second time because for some reason YouTube deleted it. So anyway, I'm gonna show y'all this interior. Let me know what y'all think. I know y'all seen the before and after in the beginning of the video, but here's a look, just going around it, seeing what I did. Big shout out to Kustom Interior for sponsoring Cerberus and sending those over. I had those since since August, and my car went down last year in July. So, but here we go. Go around everything, as y'all saw before, like in the beginning, the before and after video. But this is all by Kustom Interior except for the floor mats. And all this, I custom painted myself. Got the middle thing, just bottom line. Got that little thing right there. I just stuck that right there. I didn't have nowhere else to put it. But then I ordered that overlay online, and I just went to painting, bro, sanding. Took out the original red floor mat because it would have been way too much red. As y'all can see going around it. It's looking straight icy, bro. Subscribe, follow your boy on Instagram. Here's the bank. Going around it too, like I said, bro. These are like, they sent like the first, this is like the first one of the product they sent to me, bro. They wasn't even making these yet, bro. They really wasn't. So, but like I said, like a little air in it, but other than that, man, I think for what the price and how good it looks amazing, bro. Like I said, perfect. So I'm gonna keep these on for a long time. I got asked like so many times, did you swap the seats? Did you swap the seats? No. These just hug it so well and look so professionally good, bro. It's crazy. But other than that, yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the little quick look around of the seat covers. Actually, I know it's supposed to just be an interior video, but as y'all can see, I got new hood hinges I'm about to put on so I can fix this hood fitment. Y'all can see I had the Hellcat hood, but that baby flew up getting towed to the new shop and cracked his windshield and damaged the hood hinges, are bent down. Got the red SRT badge on there, boy. But that's pretty much it. I love this hood, bro. Everybody asks me where I got this hood. Repainted that in the back too. But here's the AFR gauge too. But yeah, quick little look around, man. Y'all go 101, boy. Like I said, be different, bro. Don't have your build looking like everybody else's build. Be different. Like, I don't know, I can't stress that enough, bro. There's too many chargers for your crap to look the same, bro. Like I said, shout out to K&G Motorsports. Also, I'm gonna get a new wicker bell by them, made by them. So, like I said, but hey, I may or may not take this off. I don't know yet. I'm just chilling, driving with it. Because I want to get that wrapped either in forged or just matte. Get the roof wrapped in forged or matte. And, you know, I don't know yet. But y'all let me know what y'all think. But, like I said, everything plays off each other. My three colors, red, white, and black. All plays off. Got the red gauge faces by US Speedo with the Scat in it, too. But like I said, man, like this interior, a 10 out of 10, bro. I'm glad I did that. I really am. But look around. But that's pretty much it, y'all. I want to dish out more content, give y'all a quick little short video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share it. I will keep dishing out more content. Still got more mods to put on, more mods to do, and just to keep y'all updated on the car. And well, I was gone for 7 months or 7.5 months, but yeah, like I said. But thank y'all for watching, man. I'll catch y'all later. Cerberus is back.